How's it going, everyone? Chris Walker up here, Anderson Mazda. Today, I'm here to take you on a ride along in the beautiful 2019 Mazda 3 Hatch. So before I take you guys on a ride, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the new body style change. So up here at front, it has a beautiful new front grille with the black accents around the grille as well as the bottom. So another nice feature that they added onto it is the beautiful black rims that go very well with the color and match the front grille as well. And behind the vehicle, it has another black accent down at the bottom, as well as an all-new black spoiler that goes very well with the color combination. Hey, what are you guys doing out there? Come on in, let me take you for a ride. This is the interior of the beautiful 19 Mazda 3. This beautiful red interior really complements this vehicle well. Very comfortable. They restyled the seats to perfectly fit the natural S curve of your back, so it's also very comfortable. And this specific premium is 6-speed manual. One thing I love about this is the nice smooth shifting, and also your command module is right below. So easy to switch back and forth when you have to shift quickly and then to navigate through the screen. So another upgrade that they made in the Mazda 3 is something that's called G Vectoring Control Plus. In simple terms, what that is they upgraded the suspension and the handling to where it's very smooth on the road. Cornering, it's very responsive and you're really in control when you're driving the vehicle. Alright, well, I want to thank you guys for coming with me on this ride along today with the beautiful 2019 Mazda 3 Hatch. I would love to see you guys here at the store, so come into Anderson Mazda and ask for Chris. Thank you.